Yep, I've been there several times on my fitness journey. Get fit, get flabby, rinse and repeat. But I found a quite unorthodox solution that's working for me, and today I'm going to share with you the 2 secrets that could help you just get yourself fit again. Now, Natalie Cook said, success is getting up one more time than you get knocked down. Now, for some strange reason, I always thought that was Rocky, but he said,
You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done.
Now, those 2 quotes embody the wisdom of my method, which I'm going to unpack for you today. And it's actually helping me get fitter again and maintain the momentum. So what did I do? Well, I gave up on all those influencers and mailing lists that really weren't adding any value to my life. I unsubscribed. I gave up on all the fad programs that I was trying to follow, like the 100 push-ups. I then sat down and decided what I really need. And that was the soul searching that was very important. I found 3 or 4 people on social media who had different programs, but they were very relatable. They actually talked about their fitness in real terms, the struggles, and what they were doing to overcome them. And they showed a bit of their life in the background as well, which kind of made them more real as people. I went out and bought a rowing machine, and I relaunched my Zombies Run app. There's a little feature in there, you can actually use it with rowing machines. So you get this crazy little story about this zombie plague while you're rowing, which is kind of cool. And it's really the combination of these 2 programs for me which really helps. I've got the rower for my cardio, and I've got my YouTube channel working on my mat, which I can just mix it up and do whatever I want at the start of the day before I get into anything. And that really kicks off the day on a good foot. And that's really the first secret I want to talk about, which is to get back up. I've been there so many times and failed, but I just found a new way, got back up and got back on the road. Truth be told, some days I don't feel like it. Some days I've been injured, and some days I've been sick. So I've skipped it. I just thought, bugger that, I'm not going to do it today. And you have to be honest with yourself. This is not a punishment. This is not somebody standing over you screaming, you must do this every day. Don't punish yourself. Don't make yourself feel bad about it. Do what you need to do, but listen to your body. Now, if your body says I'm sick or I'm injured, okay, skip it. But if your body's just saying, I can't be bothered today, I feel a bit lazy, let's just watch a bit of Netflix or something, well, that's procrastination, and that's the time when you need to jump back in and say, no. That's when you actually need the exercise. Even today, I had the same thing. I just thought, God, I feel lazy this morning. Actually, no, I'm going to jump on that rower, I'm going to do 30 minutes, and boy, did I feel fantastic at the end of it. And that really is the second secret, or discipline, or keep moving forward, as Rocky said. Since I started my journey at the beginning of the year, it's not all been sunshine and roses. I've skipped a week or 3 here and there, and I've had injuries, and that's perfectly fine. But I've got back up, and I've got back on the rower, and I've got back on the mat and done my exercises. And that discipline has actually kept me going. In the beginning, 5K was impossible. Now it's normal. I've kept going. My body doesn't really look any different, but I feel different, and I know that I'm pushing through and really achieving those results. And it's that little voice in my head that just says, keep going, get back on the rower, get back on the mat, do that thing today. It's only 30 minutes. You'll actually benefit from it later. It works. And remember to like, comment and subscribe for more videos from me on this channel. Now, as Sean Penn says in Ben Stiller's The Secret Life of Walter Mitty, beautiful things don't ask for attention. So go be beautiful and dream, dare, rise. Edward here, signing out. Peace.
Hello there.
Now, Natalie Cook said, no, she didn't. The secrets that I'm going to talk to you about seems quite a strange thing. Damn, these flies might seem strange. Might seem a bit strange. There's a little feature in there, you can actually view it.